Good day, sir. I'm Aslani M. Mampaso, and this is my report about methods of crime scene search. So, a crime scene uh, should be searched in order to ensure collect of every object that may be relevant to crime committed. The method of search includes the first is strip search method, second double strip search method, third spiral search method, fourth zone search method, and last is well search method. So strip search method is the area is blacked out in the form of a rectangle. The searches proceed slowly at the same place along. When a piece of evidence is found, the finder announce his discovery, and the search must stop until the evidence has been cared for. A photographer is called if necessary. The evidence is collected and tagged, and the search proceeds at a given signal. At the end of the rectangle, the searchers turn and proceed along new lanes as shown in the above illustration. So, strip search method starts the searches at the southeast corner of the area. Walk north in a straight line and keeping parallel with the east edge until reaching the north edge of the scene. Then take two steps and west and walk south in a line parallel to the first put until reaching the south edge of the scene. So ang strip search method kay magkinahanglan na ang mga investigator personnel sa maong crime scene kay maglakaw sa usa ka agihan gikan sa usa ka tumoy sa crime scene ngadto sa pikas kilid nga lugar ug unya mobalik sa direksyon kung asa siya unang nagsugod. Sa investigator si investigator 1, 2 ug 3 like kay dili sila magtapot while ga search kay ingaso og si investigator 1 og investigator 2 kay wala nila naagian, so possible nga maagian ni investigator 3. So pwede niya makita ni investigator 3 ang wala na kita ni investigator 1 ug 2. So double strip search method. The double strip or grid method of search is a modification of the strip search method. Here the rectangle is traversed first parallel to the base, then parallel to a side. So double strip method it works similar to the strip search with strip method, except once the line can complete the grid search, they will change angles and search the area again. So ang double strip search method is the double strip method or grid method of search is modification of strip search method. Here's the rectangle is traversed from parallel to the base, then parallel to a side. So there is a sa double strip search method is kay kada area kay i-search twice, kadua i-search ang kada area. Halos pareha siya sa strip method pero double ra ni siya. Ang strip method man good kay kanang side to side ra siya, unlike sa double strip method side to side ang searching, pero para sigurado na walay di makitaan nga evidence sa crime scene, i-search usab ang area base to base. Kumbaga side to side na siya, base to base pa, kaduha balikan ang area to search evidence. Then spiral search method. In this method, the searchers follow each other along the path of a spiral, beginning on the outside and spiral in toward the center. So sa spiral search method, This method, investigators start at a selected point at the edge of the scene, walk in circular pattern to the center of the scene, with the circle getting smaller as investigator approach the center. So sa spiral, naani siya two types of search of method depending kung unsa ang asa magsugod ang investigator o ang searchers. And either either sa outside or center siya magsugod of the scene. The searchers kay mo follow each other while searching pieces of evidence from the crime scene. So depende depende ang searcher if asa siya magsugod. Nang depende po if inward or outward ang gamiton sa searchers. Pero kung sa cases like sa rape, di ba? Sa cases sa rape, like tapos na ay pubic hair or sperm na nabilin sa center of scene, then ang searchers kay mugamit og outward since ang sperm kay dali ma-contaminate. So let's proceed to zone search method. In this method, one searcher is assigned to each subdivision of a quadrant, and then each quadrant is cut into another set of quadrants. So the zone method breaks the crime scene area into squares. Mong gitawag siya quadrant search method. Applicable ra pud siya sa sa mga dagko o mga lapad nga lugar, dako nga lugar na area, like for example sa living room can be divided into 4 equal sections and examined by individual investigator. In many cases, those squares are further divided into additional smaller squares to facilitate evidence location. So, ang zone or sector method is systematic search in very extreme large areas of crime scene, wherein searchers are also available sa mga luwag or dako na area. Ginakandak ang zone search method. Then i-divide into quadrant ang area to search. So sa wheel search method. In this method of search, the area is considered to be approximately circular. The searchers gather at the center and proceed outward along these spokes. The procedure should be repeated several times depending on the size of the circle and the number of searchers. On shortcoming of this method is the great increase in the area to be observed as the searchers departs from the center. So the wheel method employs the use of several crime scene personnel or searchers starting in the middle of the imaginary circle. Each investigator moves in a direction straight out from the center or hub of the wheel, much like the spokes of a bicycle wheel. Ang form ani sa investigator or searchers like pareha bitaw sa kanang wheel, kanang sa hub sa ligid katong gapaana. Mo to forma sa investigator mag-search sila. A wheel method is applicable into areas which are somewhat circular in size of area. In this method of search, the area is considered approximately a circular. The searchers gather at the center and proceed outward along the procedure should be repeated in several times. Depende sa size of circle and ang tidaganon sa searchers. So that's all my report, sir. Thank you.